When we talk about Nifty, it's crucial to clarify which Nifty we're referring to, as there are two prominent entities that bear this name, each introduced at different times and serving entirely different purposes. As a project management expert, I understand the importance of precision and context. So, let's explore both. Nifty 50, the Indian Stock Market Index. The most well-known Nifty globally, especially in financial circles, is the Nifty 50. This is a benchmark stock market index for the Indian equity market, owned and managed by NSE Indices, a subsidiary of the National Stock Exchange of India, NSE. When was Nifty 50 introduced? The Nifty 50 index was officially launched on April 22, 1996, with a base date of November 3, 1995, and a base value of 1,000. What is its purpose? The Nifty 50 is designed to accurately reflect the performance of the Indian stock market. It comprises 50 of the largest and most liquid Indian companies traded on the NSE, representing various sectors of the economy. It serves several critical purposes. Benchmark. It acts as a benchmark for fund managers and investors to gauge the overall health and direction of the Indian economy and stock market. Investment vehicle. It forms the basis for various investment products, such as index funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and derivatives, futures and options, allowing investors to invest in a diversified basket of India's top companies. Economic indicator. Analysts and economists often look at the Nifty 50's performance as a key indicator of India's economic growth and stability. Relevance from a project management perspective. Macro level. While the Nifty 50 isn't a project management tool, its introduction and performance have significant indirect implications for project management, particularly for large-scale projects or businesses operating in India. Economic climate. The Nifty 50's performance provides insight into the overall economic climate. During periods of growth, reflected by a rising Nifty, businesses might be more likely to invest in new projects, expand operations, and have access to capital. Conversely, a declining Nifty could signal economic slowdown, leading to project budget cuts or delays. Investor confidence. A strong Nifty indicates robust investor confidence, which can influence foreign direct investment, FDI, and capital availability for major infrastructure or industrial projects. Sectoral performance. By tracking the performance of the 50 constituent companies, project managers working in specific sectors, e.g. IT, finance, manufacturing, can gain insights into the trends and health of their particular industry, informing risk assessments and resource planning. Talent market. A booming stock market often reflects a strong job market. Project managers might face different challenges in terms of talent acquisition and retention depending on the prevailing economic sentiment indicated by indices like the Nifty 50. Nifty, project management software. Completely separate from the stock market index, there is a modern work management and project management software called Nifty PM, often just referred to as Nifty. This tool aims to be an all-in-one platform for teams to manage projects, tasks, communication, and client collaboration. When was Nifty PM introduced? Nifty PM is a relatively newer player in the project management software space. It was launched in 2017. Its founders, Ilya Stricker, Shiv Kapoor, and Skylar Kalibay, created Nifty with the vision of consolidating various project management functions into a single, intuitive platform, particularly for remote teams. What is its purpose? Nifty PM's core purpose is to simplify workflow and enhance collaboration for teams and clients. It bundles a variety of features commonly found in separate tools into one integrated solution. Project roadmaps. For high-level planning and visualizing project milestones. Task management. Detailed task creation, assignment, dependencies, and customizable workflows, e.g., Kanban, list, timeline views. Team collaboration. Built-in chat, discussions, and direct messaging to facilitate communication. Document management. A central place for files, notes, and project documentation, docs and files. Time tracking. For logging hours spent on tasks and projects, crucial for billing and resource management. Client management. Features like guest access and client portals to involve external stakeholders seamlessly. Reporting. dashboards and reports to track project progress, team performance, and profitability. Relevance from a project management perspective, tool level for a project manager. Nifty PM is designed to be a direct enabler of efficient project execution. Centralized workflows. It offers a single platform to manage everything from initial project planning to final delivery, reducing the need to jump between multiple applications. This is a core tenet of modern project management efficiency. Enhanced transparency. With all tasks, discussions, and files in one place, team members and stakeholders have a clear view of project status, responsibilities, and progress, fostering transparency. Improved collaboration. The integrated communication tools within the project context mean less reliance on external emails or chat apps, keeping conversations relevant and easily searchable. Client engagement. The ability to provide clients with controlled access to project progress and documentation via client portals is a significant advantage for professional service firms. Resource visibility. Time tracking and workload management features help project managers ensure that resources are optimally utilized and prevent burnout or bottlenecks.